So I'm gonna be showing you guys this amazing video I made, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how you could actually create amazing videos like this quite easily.
Sometimes you lose, like April Fools. Don't fall for that. No love in Lagos, no one can save us. No hope at all.
So I'm sure you can see how amazing that is. So I know how it can be difficult. Music artists and even as producers, you create an amazing record and you are looking for ideas on how you could put out amazing content. And it can be really stressful when you have to go rent a whole crew to just shoot a video to or a promotional content to just push your song. How about if I told you guys that there's a platform called Atlabs.ai, and this platform is basically going to take your idea and generate visuals for you. All you just have to do is just direct it on what to do. So without wasting time, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to come up with such amazing videos. All right, so right in Atlab, a very nice and simple platform to use. Right, when you come over to the workflows, they have a preset here called the music video, which we are going to be using. So with that selected, all you have to do next is to upload your MP3, or if you're using Suno to create your music, you could just upload, paste in your Suno link or SoundCloud link. It accepts anyone and it's gonna get the idea from the song. So for me, I'm gonna be using my song. It's just gonna upload and it's done. So we have two options. Either we go with the narrative, a story unfold across cinematic scenes. So you create like a story to go along with the song, or performance, lip sync, which is amazing because you could actually just create lip sync performance of your character. So for me, I'm going with the narrative and I'm just going to hit on confirm. So it's going to analyze the audio and try to pick the mood and the genre and everything. So it goes, the language is English, the mood, rhythmic groove, the genre Afrobeats, and yeah, so you heard the song, so you can see that it's Afrobeats, so that's right. And the tempo, fast tempo, is actually a fast song, 128 BPM, really fast. Then the next thing, we're going to hit on continue. And we have different presets we could pick for. For me, I love 3D cartoon. So you could pick the 3D cartoon, you could pick the realistic, they have various style you could pick from. So you're not just tied to one style, you could play around with different style. But for me, I'm going with the realistic vibe. So with that selected, we have either the vertical, we have the horizontal, and we have the square. So if you want to do content for like Instagram, you just select this. If you want to do content for like YouTube, so select that. So I'm going to select this and just hit on continue. That's basically everything, and it comes up with different ideas and concepts for you. So it's left for you to see if you are okay with the idea, or you could give it your own idea. But for me, I'm going to advise always to have your own idea. But you as the artist or the producer, you have a direction, you have an idea of something you have in mind. So it has generated some ideas for me: market performance, news, rooftop view. But for me, I didn't want to use any of the ideas. So the idea I had in mind was to create like this kind of, because the song is like a motivational song, like say, okay, sometimes you lose but never give up, you still come out prevailing. So I had this idea of, okay, like a boxer who has just lost a fight and he has basically lost everything because of that fight, but he didn't just give up. He still kept on practicing and he came out victorious. So something like the Creed, that kind of idea. So that was the idea I just described to the AI. All right, so this is basically the story. So so you could describe your own concept, and I just pasted that. So I'm just gonna read through it. This is just basically the story. Tan pit fighter loses a fight, is abandoned by the crowd, refuses to give up, train alone through the night, and returns to the ring. The video ends with his comeback fight begins. Nice idea. And I'm just going to hit on add. So what AI is going to do is going to analyze my own idea and try to build from that. So it has done that, which is very fast. So you can see it has given us some preview, which is amazing. So I'm going to go to continue, and this is where you get to put your cast. So you can allow the AI do the casting by itself. It's going to create the character and everything. So it has generated the character. It has suggested some character, which one is Abubakar Kano. Object, it has generated some location, which is the Dambe pit. I want to use my own picture, so I'm just going to remove that, and I could upload my own character if I want to, or we have character library here, and this is my own character that I generated. So I'm just going to hit on this. I hit next, and you can see me as the character, and I'm just going to hit on select. Then you could also add your own location. If you're okay with the location is given, that's good, but you could also add yours. And that was basically everything. The next thing was to finalize the video. So I'm just gonna open what I actually did. So let me just go open my own workflow, my stories. So yeah, this was my own story. You can see the name, round 2, the whole story. Yeah, so this is the whole story. This is everything, and you can do your whole edit right here, right on this. So I'm just gonna play the whole vibe. And this is amazing. You know, it retained the character look.
Sometimes you lose, like April Fools. Don't fall for that. No love in Lagos, no one can save us. No hope at all.
Amazing. And if you could still edit each of the scene. What I love about it, you could do all the edits right here. So you have the first scene, you have the second scene, and each of the scenes right here. And if, for example, you want any scene to lip sync, you can do that. So let's say for example, I want this scene right here to lip sync. I could just come here, select the lip sync feature, and this is the part that's playing. So
sometimes you.
Yeah, so maybe I don't want to say that sometimes I could just easily create a lip sync. So they have different AI for the lip sync feature there, and you just hit on apply. And what I love about this is that it doesn't use a lot of credits. So you could see that to just do a lip sync is just three credits. So yeah, so that was basically how I did everything. And after I was done, I downloaded it, and you could actually export in 4K. So you can see we have 1080, 2K, 4K, which is the highest quality, which is amazing. And when I was done, I just exported it because I wanted to add like that intro logo. Yeah, so I wanted to just add up that flicker of the intro of the song, that title there. I just wanted to add it. So that was just the stuff I added. And that was how easy it is to create a nice visual for your song. Imagine, and I did this in, like, let me just say, not so much of a time. So you could create hundreds of these and just use it to push your song, man. It's amazing. So let's just see what I was able to do. So this is the final result.
Sometimes you lose, like April Fools. Don't fall for that. No love in Lagos.
That was the idea I had, and Atlabs AI was able to bring it out. So if you want to try out Atlabs.ai, I'm going to leave a link in the description for you to just go try it out for yourself. And trust me, you are really going to appreciate this. So that's the update for today, and thank you guys for watching. If you're to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you definitely get notified when next I post. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.